Have you ever wondered just how vast our universe really is? I mean, we look up at the night sky, sprinkled with stars, and we think, wow, that's big. But what does big even mean on a cosmic scale? Today we're going on a journey to the edge of our understanding, to the very frontier of space and time. Fasten your seatbelts, because we're diving into 3 unbelievable facts about the size of the universe that will expand your mind. Get ready to have your perspective shifted, your imagination ignited. This isn't just about numbers and distances, it's about grasping the sheer scale of existence itself. Let's embark on this cosmic adventure together. So let's start with what we can actually see, the observable universe. Now imagine the farthest object we can observe with our telescopes, capturing light that has traveled for billions of years to reach us. That, my friends, is the edge of our observable universe. How far are we talking? Hold on to your hats, because the estimated diameter of the observable universe is a mind-boggling 93 billion light-years. To put that in perspective, 1 light-year is the distance light travels in a year, which is about 5.88 trillion miles. It's a number so large it's practically incomprehensible. Think about it. When we look at the most distant galaxies, we're seeing them as they were billions of years ago, back when the universe was in its infancy. It's like peering back in time. But here's the kicker. The observable universe is just a tiny fraction of the entire universe. That's right, what we can see is limited by how far light has had time to travel to us since the Big Bang. There's a whole lot more universe out there beyond what we can observe, regions we can't even see because the light hasn't reached us yet. It's humbling, isn't it, to realize how much more there is to discover. But that brings us to our next mind-blowing fact. The universe isn't just mind-bogglingly big, it's getting bigger by the second. That's right, the universe is expanding, and not just in a casual, leisurely way. It's expanding at an accelerating rate. Imagine baking a loaf of raisin bread and watching the dough rise. As the dough expands, the raisins get farther and farther apart. That's kind of what's happening in the universe, with galaxies representing the raisins. The space between galaxies is stretching, pushing them apart from each other. And the farther away a galaxy is, the faster it seems to be moving away from us. This expansion was a groundbreaking discovery, revolutionizing our understanding of the universe. It means that the universe wasn't static as once thought, but dynamic, ever-evolving. But what's driving this expansion? Well, scientists believe that a mysterious force called dark energy is responsible for this cosmic acceleration. Think of dark energy as the opposite of gravity. While gravity pulls things together, dark energy pushes them apart. It's like an invisible hand stretching the fabric of space-time itself. The implications of an expanding universe are profound. It means that the universe will continue to grow, becoming even more vast and less dense over time. It makes you wonder, what will the universe look like billions of years from now? Buckle up, because we're about to venture into the realm of the theoretical, a concept that will truly stretch your imagination, the multiverse. Imagine this. Our universe, vast as it is, might not be the only one. That's right, the multiverse theory proposes that our universe is just one of many universes coexisting alongside each other. Think of it like bubbles in a cosmic bubble bath, each bubble representing a different universe with its own set of physical laws and constants. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, how is that even possible? Well, the multiverse arises from some of the most cutting-edge theories in physics, like string theory and inflationary cosmology. String theory, for instance, suggests that the universe is made up of tiny, vibrating strings, and these strings can vibrate in different ways, creating different particles and forces. Inflationary cosmology proposes that the universe underwent a period of rapid expansion, or inflation, in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang. This inflation could have created bubbles that became separate universes. Now, the multiverse is still very much a theoretical concept, but it's a tantalizing one. It suggests that the universe could be infinitely bigger and more diverse than we ever imagined. It's like realizing there's an entire cosmic library out there, filled with books containing stories of countless universes, each more wondrous and bizarre than the last. So where do we fit into all of this? Are we just a tiny speck in an infinite sea of universes? The possibilities are as limitless as the multiverse itself. From the mind-boggling size of the observable universe to the ever-expanding nature of space and time, and the mind-bending concept of the multiverse, we've journeyed to the very edge of our understanding. These insights not only expand our knowledge of the universe but also shift our perspective on our place within it. We are but a small part of something far grander and more awe-inspiring than we could have ever imagined. If you found these facts as mind-blowing as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more cosmic adventures, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. What amazed you the most? What questions do these cosmic wonders spark in your mind? Remember, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, so keep looking up at the stars, keep asking questions, and keep exploring the cosmos.